consensus rules of Bitcoin are immutable rules, which are codified into the Bitcoin node client software system and applied network-wide. Strict adherence to these rules is required for a node to actively participate in the network. These consensus rules define the format and constraints of the transactions and blocks on the network and are enforced through the application of proof of work. Any changes to these rules can result in the splitting of the network, as nodes may end up disagreeing on whether or not such changes enhance or detract from the nature of Bitcoin. When this happens, a chain that becomes extended using altered rules can share the same history of the ledger as the original consensus rules, but have a divergent future and no longer should be considered Bitcoin, as Bitcoin is ultimately its distinct set of rules. We have seen changes to these protocol rules in the past, which have resulted in two major duplications of the Bitcoin ledger. The first such duplication allows for transactions to be made without the validation of the chain of digital signatures, while the second duplication added additional rules which changed the ordering of transactions within the blocks, among other alterations to the inner workings of the Bitcoin system. For Bitcoin SV, the priority is to restore previously altered aspects of these rules back to how they were. In some cases, this has resulted in divergence with the original protocol, including minor changes to the scripting language. As of now, the remaining changes needed are the re-enablement of the last remaining script opcodes and the option to make changes necessary in the future for the security of the network, such as the ability to migrate to a new proof of work hash function or add a new digital signature algorithm.